Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable peer-to-peer calls on Telegram using the latest updated method. If you're concerned about privacy or want more control over how your calls are routed, this setting is definitely worth adjusting. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon. This is either the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon, depending on your device. From the menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. This will take you to your account and app configuration options. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is where you control who can see your information and how your interactions are managed. Now find and tap on Calls. Inside this menu, you'll see different options related to your call privacy and connection preferences. Look for the option labeled Use Peer-to-Peer With. This setting controls whether your calls are directly connected between you and the other person or routed through Telegram's servers for added privacy. Tap on it and you'll see a few options. To fully disable peer-to-peer calls, select Nobody. This ensures that none of your calls will use direct peer-to-peer connections. Once selected, make sure the change is applied. Telegram usually saves this automatically, so you can simply go back after choosing Nobody. And that's it. You've successfully disabled peer-to-peer calls on Telegram. This can help improve your privacy by preventing your IP address from being shared during calls. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tutorials on the channel.